Oh, what do we have here? Entitled bully kicked out of Hilton Hotel over disgusting behavior.
On January 1st, 2025, officers responded to a hotel for a call of a disorderly guest. The caller claimed that a man was verbally harassing other guests in the hotel lobby. Officers approached the individual in question, and things immediately began to escalate.
How are you, sir?
Good.
Okay, are you a guest of the hotel?
Yes.
Are you staying here? What room are you staying in?
811.
811? What floor is that?
811. 8. What's the last 11?
He's definitely hammered.
Last name?
What's your last name? So they can check your reservation.
Why?
To confirm it, to see if you're actually staying here.
Are you joking? Why? Am I in danger?
No, because I guess...
You're publicly intoxicated, that's why.
Listen, because I guess based on your behavior, they don't even want you here anymore, okay?
Oh.
Okay, do you understand that? That's why I'm here, all right? So can we remain calm?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have your ID on you? You don't have your wallet on you?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your first name, sir?
Joseph. Oh my God, what the fuck is going on here?
Joseph,
What are you guys doing?
Joseph, what's your last name?
I'm drunk. I mean, what the
Okay.
What do you expect? I'm sitting here.
Okay,
and
well,
fucking
if you're drunk,
fucked up.
you can still act cordial, all right? What's your date of birth? Joseph, what's your date of birth?
Like 1969.
Joseph, when were you born?
Come on. What the fuck is wrong with you, man?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with you? I've been nothing but cordial with you.
Alright.
And you want to give me attitude.
Stop.
Okay?
Stop.
I'm sure if you were sober...
Excuse me.
Excuse me what? Excuse me what? Listen. I don't need your attitude. You understand me? You're a grown man, just like me. But you're acting like a fucking child, okay? So why don't you act like an adult? Okay?
Little bitch.
Do you have children? I'm sure they'd be ashamed of you right now. Get your fucking hand out of my face.
I'm ashamed of him and I don't know
You
him.
have a Florida driver's license. Yes or no?
No.
Where are you from?
Lord.
You're not gonna get nowhere with this guy.
We're gonna go and end this reservation now. And he was putting his hands on people who don't like any of that.
I'm sorry?
He was putting his hands on people who don't allow property.
Oh.
He actually, this 10-year-old kid, he ran up on him. So we got him.
This kid over here. Is that the dad over there? Okay. You guys had an issue with this guy over here?
Yeah, we were at the pool, but he came to the front desk to check something, and he was verbally assaulting.
What do you say to you, bud?
A bunch of bad words, and it wasn't really was trying to say that I was fat or something.
So you're just being saying rude and mean?
Yeah.
Did he touch you or anything?
No.
No?
Because they tried to get him with me.
Did he ever touch you?
No.
No?
But he was trying to touch you?
Yeah.
And they,
And they tried.
When I say touch you, grab you?
Yeah. He was trying to, but they pushed him away.
Okay. Did he walk towards you or run towards you?
He walked towards me.
He just walked towards you?
Yeah.
Okay. Were you there?
no, I was at the pool.
Okay.
What did I call you?
He called me bitch and all these bad words.
Okay.
So just verbally, just saying.
So just saying bad stuff to you, not like I'm gonna
He didn't threaten you or anything?
No.
he didn't say I'm gonna hurt you, I'm gonna kill you or anything like that.
No.
Okay. Just being not acting like like an adult should. Okay. Are you guys guests here?
Yeah.
Okay. They've already rescinded his reservation here.
Okay.
I'm assuming his stuff is in his room, so we're gonna get him out of here.
Okay. So there's not much anyway.
All right.
All I know is you guys can make up whatever you want to fucking make
I don't
up.
have to make up anything.
I'm pretty sure the way he sounded, he'd rather be eating a donut and drinking coffee right now versus dealing with your dumb ass.
Don't need to.
Oh, really? Why?
Why would I need to make up anything?
Well, then why are you talking about me and fucking doing all kinds of crazy shit.
I'm going by what I've been told.
Yeah, it's bullshit.
Why would someone lie
So
about that?
You just go by whatever you're fucking told, whatever, whenever you're told.
What the fuck?
You go by whatever you're fucking told, whenever you're told. Anytime, at any time. What? What? What are you doing?
I'm just standing here.
Why?
Because of you.
Freaking me out!
Not 10-4. How long you been staying here?
What do you mean?
How long have you been staying here?
All day.
What room are you in?
Are you fucking kidding me? I'm not giving you my room, bitch.
I got a funny feeling you're not going to be staying here much longer. I don't think they want you here.
Okay, fine.
Okay?
And that's up to them, isn't it?
Yep.
Excuse me, is that not up to them?
That's what I just said.
Is it up to them?
Mm-hmm.
Shut up. Stop being an asshole.
There's only one person being obtuse right now.
Stop
That would be
being
you.
an asshole.
I'm being...
You're being an asshole.
Okay. If you say so. Sit down. Do not get up.
I am saying that.
Okay? I'm making sure that you are.
Are you a police officer?
Yes, I am.
Nah, he's just a motherfucker wearing a badge.
Why are you assigned to me?
Because you have brought an attention to yourself.
That
What's
part.
that?
Oh, stop being such a
15?
fucking hard ass.
But definitely a prick.
Ah.
Yeah. All right. You're no longer a guest of this hotel, so
You've been trespassed, whore.
who's staying with you here? Are you in the hotel by yourself?
Are you gonna stay in the same bed?
No.
Listen,
I don't want to be out here any longer than I do.
Don't be a smartass. Are you here by yourself, or do you have someone else staying up in the room with you?
Who's here with you?
He don't even know.
There's someone here with you?
Are you deaf? Who's here
Yes.
with you?
Yes.
Who?
Shut up!
Who is here with
I
you?
have no fucking idea. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Joseph.
Joseph.
Joseph, look at me.
Hey.
Joseph.
I don't need to tell you guys shit. So go fuck yourselves.
Mm.
You're gonna tell me?
Stand up. Put your hands behind your back. Stand up. Put your hands behind your
You
back.
going to jail?
Now it's disorderly conduct. How about that? Yeah, disorderly. Drunk and disorderly. That's fine by me. See, this could have been a lot easier if you had just told us
Exactly.
where you were staying at, who you're staying with, but nah.
I'm not staying with anybody.
It should be unlocked now. Oh, here, hold on. Let me grab that stuff out.
Sha la 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 la. Sha la 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 la. I would have been playing that music so hard for his dumb ass to hear.
Really?
Yeah.
Go ahead, have a seat.
Here, have a seat, man. Here, hold on.
Step up.
What the hell is that?
Oh, shocker. Here, have a seat.
Go ahead. Step up, have a seat. There you go. All the way in.
Go. Put your feet up there.
There you go. Watch yourself. And that's easy enough.
So, what did he do here?
So by the time I got out there, he was shit talking with the front desk manager, is the one you saw.
Just to be clear, this guy we have in the back of the car. Okay.
Yeah, and he was just.
And he's a guest of the
talking-
hotel.
Now we figured out he was the guest of the hotel. We didn't know at the time because he was too drunk and we were trying to get information, or the manager was trying to get information from him. But then he just started going crazy and then saying "fuck you,"
To you and the staff and everything.
Yeah, me, the manager, and the bellman that he went back and forth with. We were just trying to get him outside, away from all the other guests that were waiting to be assisted. And then when it came to the whole kids situation, well, as we were trying to get him out, he's drunk and can't walk straight. So that's what it was.
And then
it's in my bag.
Our content.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, absolutely.
The man was trespassed from the hotel and charged with disorderly conduct. Thanks for watching today's video if you haven't already.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share button as well. As helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.